work is given to you all. Please spend your time on studies now. Okay? So yesterday we finished the poem Six Honest Serving Men. How many of you have learned the poem? How many of you have written the poem in class of copies? I hope you all of you have done. At least you have read the poem. Yes or no? Okay. So today, please take out an English textbook. Today we are starting with a new lesson, that is lesson number 6. It's only a matter of practice. Okay? It is on page number 12, children. Please take out page number 12. I want you all to sit with pencil handy. Okay? If I say any word, important word to underline, please underline the word. If I give you the meaning, I will write the meaning on the board. So please copy the meaning in your rough copy for a time being. Okay? Okay. So lesson number 6 is only a matter of practice. Page number 12. Long, long ago, in faraway China, there lived an archer called Chen Yaozi. He was a very skilled archer. He could perform wonderful feats of archery. He could hit the target precisely at the center, even when it was placed at a very long distance. He liked to show off his skill to the admiring crowds and that gathered around him. Okay, children? So once upon a time, there was a person named Chen Yaozi. Okay, he was a very good archer. What is the meaning of archer, children? The one who shoots arrow from the bow is the archer. Okay, so whatever he could target, okay, he could exactly he would hit the target exactly what he was targeting to. Okay, so he was a very good archer. Okay, so what is the meaning of archer here? Someone who shoots arrows from the bow. I will keep on writing difficult words also here. So first is archer means someone who shoots arrow from the bow. Arrow from the bow. So he liked to show off the skill. Okay, whatever skill he had, he used to show off. Okay, he liked people admiring him, gathering around him when he used to perform his feats. One day, so what is the meaning of precisely here? The second word is precisely. Precisely. Precisely means exactly. Okay, whatever his target was, he used to exactly hit that thing. So one day he was practicing his skill in front of many admirers when he noticed an old man standing at the back. Okay, so one day in the same manner he was showing his skill and the admiring crowd was standing over there, clapping on the skill, what he was doing over there. But there was one old man who was simply standing over there. The man was carrying gourds of oil that were hanging from a long cane on his shoulder. All the other people were clapping their hands and praising Chen Yaozi. But this old man was quiet. He neither clapped nor uttered words of praise. He just stood there nodding his head and said, "It is just a matter of practice." Yes, children, if you practice something daily, you become expert in that thing, right? If you read something daily, you become expert in reading. If you are writing something daily, you become a good writer, you get good in writing, and sometimes you start writing on your own also. So in the same manner, this Chen Yaozi also was practicing his skill daily. That's the reason he was a perfect archer. Okay, so there the old man who was standing there in the crowd, he was not admiring Chen Yaozi because he thought that this is because of his daily practice, he could perform this skill. So everyone has some skill. The person is good in that, right or wrong? So in this paragraph, the word is there. G-O-U-R-D. Now see, the word means containers. C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-R-S. Containers made from dried large fruit Okay, so gourds are like type of containers which are made with the dried fruit, okay, with the hard skin of that fruit. Okay, so Shen Yaozi was annoyed when this old man was standing there in the crowd and was not admiring Shen Yaozi, and he was not clapping, he was not praising. So he was very much annoyed. Annoyed means he was angry. Are you an archer yourself? Okay, so he asked the question to the old man. Are you an archer? Do you think anyone can do what I can do with my bows and arrows? Okay, because he was angry, so he asked the questions to the old man. Are you an archer? Do you think what I can do, others can also do the same with the bows and arrows? So the old man replies politely, no sir. The old man replied, I am not an archer, and I don't doubt your skill, and I say was everything's matter of practice. So what the old man said, that I am not an archer, okay, but what matters is a practice. Okay, if you practice something very well, definitely you become perfect in that skill. So Shen Yaozi became very angry after hearing this old man's words. He was again very angry. Now he was angry before than that. What do you know that you pass such thoughtless comments on other people? Who are you? So now Shen Yaozi is very angry. Okay, so he is asking the old man, who are you, to pass these thoughtless comments. Thoughtless comments means without giving any statement is known as thoughtless comments. Now again the old man is very polite. He says, please don't get angry, sir. Okay, I am an oil sailor, as you must have guessed from my gourds. Every day I fill these gourds with oil and sell them. Over the years, I have achieved some skill in filling the gourds. If you allow, I shall show it to you. Now, the old man very politely replies to the archer, okay, don't get angry, sir, as you are practicing your skill daily, so you are perfect in that. But by profession I am an oil seller. You can see with that, and as the gourds are hanging on my shoulder, I can fill these gourds of oil. Okay, so since many years he was doing this job, filling the gourds and selling them in the market. And he also had one skill. Okay, to show that skill, he took the permission, okay, from the Shen Yaozi. If you allow me, I can also show you what skill I have. So, growled Shen Yaozi. Everybody was curious to see what would happen next. Okay, now Shen Yaozi allowed him to show what he is practicing daily and what skill he has. And the public over there was also curious to see what old man is going to show now. Now the word here is growled. G-R-O-W-L-E-D. Growled means to make a low rough sound ground. Okay, so he already had empty guards on his shoulder, so he kept both the guards on the ground. Then he put a small coin on the mouth of the guard. After placing guards on the ground, he placed a small coin on the guard. Children, you must be knowing that very long ago, there were holes in the coins. Okay, in our ancient currency, there used to be a hole. Okay, so then he put a small coin on the mouth of the guard. In those days, small coins had a little hole at the center. As I said before, so he took a coin where there was a hole in the center of that coin. Then the old man stood up, took some oil in his ladle and began to pour oil into the guard from the height. What the old man did, children? First he put the guard on the ground, then he put a coin, okay? And that coin had a small hole in the center. And then the old man stood up and started pouring oil from the distance with the help of ladle. Okay? Now the oil went straight into the god through the hole in the coin. Now see children, again now the coin was a very small hole, okay? But the old man was skilled, okay? So whatever oil was pouring, the oil was directly going inside the god with the help of that coin. Not a single drop of oil was dropped here or there. So when the old man had finished filling up his gourd, he lifted up the coin. Not a trace of oil could be seen on it. As I said, children, okay, after filling the gourd, the old man took out the coin from the gourd, and everyone was surprised to see that. The people watching it were speechless with wonder. What is the meaning of speechless? Speechless means they were unable to speak. They were shocked. Okay, how can, with such a small hole in the coin, he can pour oil into the gourd without dropping a single drop of the oil? But the old man only smiled. As I said, there's nothing special about it. It's only a matter of practice, you see. So the old man was not proud of his skill, yes, because he said that practice makes the man perfect. If you practice something daily, it becomes your skill. Okay? So Shen Yaozi lost all his anger and noise. Okay? So after this, seeing the skill of old man, Shen Yaozi lost his anger. Okay? And he just gave a short laugh and said, "You have taught me something important today." Okay? So these words were sent from Shen Yaozi to the old man. After that, Shen Yaozi never showed off or boasted about his skills as an archer. Okay? So Shen Yaozi learned a lesson. What lesson he learned? He learned we should never show off whatever skills we have. And two lessons we have learned in this lesson. First is practice makes the man perfect. And the second is we should not be proud of whatever skills we have. Okay children, you like the lesson? Okay, now there are some difficult words I have given in the worksheet. Okay, so I want you all to write those words in your rough copy 2 times. Okay, from the textbook and from the worksheet, and read the lesson nicely. Okay, and if there is any difficulty in the lesson, you can just note it down in the rough copy so that in the next class we can discuss on the problem. Okay children, now there are some meanings, some question answers. This we'll discuss in our next class. Okay, so once more I will read the lesson for you all. So long ago in faraway China there lived an archer called Shen Yaozi. Okay, now what you can do children, you can write this story in your own words. Okay, read the lesson once, twice, thrice. Okay, then close the textbook and try to write the story in your own words. He was a very skilled archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. He could hit the target precisely at the center very long distance. He liked to show off his skill to the admiring crowds that gathered around him. One day he was practicing his skill in front of many admirers when he noticed an old man standing at the back. The man was carrying bars of oil that were hanging from a long chain on his shoulder. All the other people were clapping their hands and praising Shen Yaozi. But this old man was quiet. He neither clapped nor uttered words of praise. He just stood there nodding his head and said, It's just a matter of practice. Shen Yaozi was annoyed. Are you an archer yourself? Do you think anyone can do what I can do from my bows and arrows? No, sir, the old man replied. I am not an archer and I don't doubt your skill. All I said was everything matters of practice. Shen Yaozi became very angry. What do you know that you pass such thoughtless comments on other people? Who are you? Please don't get angry, sir. I am an oil sailor, as you must have guessed. From the guards. Every day I fill these guards with oil and sell them. Over the years, I have achieved some skill in filling the guards. If you allow, I will show it to you. So, growled Shen Yaozi. Everybody was curious to see what would happen next. Turn the page, children. Page number 30. Patiently, the old man set down an empty gourd on the ground. Then he put a small coin on the mouth of the gourd. In those days, small coins had a little hole at the center. Then the old man stood up, took some oil in his ladle, and began to pour into the gourd from the height. The oil went straight into the gourd through the hole in the coin. When the old man had finished filling up the gourd, he lifted up the coin. Not a trace of oil could be seen on it. The people watching it there were speechless with wonder, but the old man only smiled. As I said, there's nothing special about it. It's only a matter of practice. Shen Yaozi lost all his anger and confidence. He just gave a short laugh and said, You taught me something important today. After that, Shen Yaozi never showed off or boasted about his skill as an archer. Okay children, that's all for today's class. See you all in the next class.